that back seat. Oh no, that back seat stuff. It's all small in the back. It's all small in the back. It's small in the Suzuki Jimny. They should have not put the no off like. You have to fold the seat. You have to fold the seat. You have to fold the seats every time when you. Why on the back seats in there? Why carry this every time when you. This'll be the end of this. This'll be the end of this every time when you. Every time.